If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can customize the icon bar by adding and removing buttons. To do this, select View, Customize Icon Bar from the menu bar to open the Customize Icon Bar window. All your current button choices are shown in the left window pane. To add a new button, click the Add button at the right side of this window to open the Add Icon Bar Item window. Click the feature for which you would like to add a button from the list of choices shown in the box at the left side of this window. Then from the scroll box to the right, select the icon to represent that function within the icon bar. To the right of that, there are two text boxes where you can edit the button's label and the description displayed in the screen tip for the button. Then click the OK button to add that selected feature and icon to the icon bar. You can then see the new feature appear in the scroll box at the left side of the Customize Icon Bar window. It will also immediately appear in the icon bar as well. You can repeat this process to add all the buttons you want. When finished, click the OK button to close the Customize Icon Bar window. You can then click the new button within the icon bar to use the newly added feature. To remove a button from the icon bar, select View, Customize Icon Bar from the menu bar. In the Customize Icon Bar window, select the button to remove from the scroll box at the left side of the window, and then click the Delete button at the right side of the Customize Icon Bar window. The button should disappear. When finished, click the OK button to save your changes. You can also add a button to the icon bar for any screen currently displayed on screen in QuickBooks. To do this, open the window for which you want to add an icon bar button, and then select View, Add Window Name to Icon Bar from the menu bar, where Window Name is the name of the currently opened window. In the dialog box that appears, set the label and icon you want to use for that window's button in the icon bar. Then click the OK button to add it to the icon bar. This is a handy way to add buttons for frequently accessed screens to the icon bar as you are using them. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.